the wonderful place called Disneyland. The happiest place that we can be. You can go on rides and the monorail too. You can have churros and turkey legs too. Even though I'm on vacation, it's true. People still ask questions so they don't feel blue. Yes, I'm on vacation, but I still care. Get in your email, ask Vampire Bear. I'm here with Fuzzy Bear. Fuzzy? 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 I think he fell asleep, or maybe he's taking a nap. It was nice to meet you, Fuzzy Bear. My name is Vampire Bear. Tell your friends, ask vampirebear.blogspot.com. I hope you feel better soon. Enjoy your nap. Okay, so bye for now. Bye for now.